Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. In last session we have learned basic proportionality theorem and its converse. Now today we will start angle bisector theorem. Property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Theorem: the biangle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. It is a statement of the theorem. Angle bisector theorem. A, B, C and E. Given in triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersects segment AB at point E. To prove AE divided by EB equal to CA divided by CB. Construction. Draw a line parallel to ray CE through point B extend ray AC to intersect it at point D. Point D. Draw a line parallel to ray CE through point B to intersect at extend point AC to intersect it point D. It at point D. Proof. In triangle ADB ray CE parallel to side BD by construction. Therefore, AE divided by EB equal to CA divided by CD. It is noted by first equation by basic proportionality theorem. Ray CE parallel to side BD on transversal AD. Therefore, angle ACE Angle ACE is congruent to angle CDB by corresponding angle. By corresponding angle. It is denoted by second equation. Ray CE parallel to side BD on transversal BC Therefore, angle BCE is congruent to angle CBD. Third equation, by alternate angle. But angle ACE is congruent to angle BCE. ACE is congruent to angle BCE. It is noted by fourth equation. By ray CE bisects angle ACB. In triangle CDB angle CBD it's congruent to angle CDB, congruent to angle CDB. From equation second, third and fourth. From equation second, third and fourth. CD equal to CB. It is noted by fifth equation. Sides opposite to congruent angle. Therefore, AE divided by EB equal to CA divided by CB. From equation first and fifth. Hence, proof. CD equal to CB by sides opposite to congruent angle. Therefore, AE divided by EB equal to CA divided by CB. From equation first and fifth. Hence, proof. Converse of an angle bisector theorem. If in triangle ABC, point E is on side AB such that AC divided by BC equal to AE divided by BE, then ray CE bisects angle ACB. Now, property of three parallel lines and their transversal. If line AX parallel to line BY parallel to line CZ and line L and line M are their transversal, then AB divided by BC equal to XY divided by YZ. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon.